The power of intelligence and teamwork. Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, there lived a mighty elephant named Gajaraj. He was the largest animal in the jungle, and his immense strength made him proud. "No one can challenge me," he often boasted, stomping his feet to show off his power. The other animals stayed out of his way, fearful of his size and temper. In the same forest lived a clever monkey named Chintu. Small and nimble, Chintu relied on his quick thinking rather than physical strength. He spent his days swinging through trees, solving little problems for the other animals. One day, a fierce drought struck the forest. The rivers dried up, and water became scarce. The animals grew anxious and thirsty, and Gajaraj decided to take charge. "I will use my strength to dig a water hole," he declared. The animals cheered, believing that their powerful leader would save them. But despite his efforts, Gajaraj couldn't dig deep enough to find water. The ground was too hard, and he grew frustrated. "If I can't do it, no one can," he bellowed. Chintu, watching from a tree, decided to help. "Gajaraj, may I try?" he asked. The elephant laughed. "You? A tiny monkey? What can you do that I cannot?" Chintu smiled and said, "Sometimes, intelligence is more useful than strength. Let me show you." Chintu scampered off to explore the area. After observing the ground and the patterns of dry leaves, he remembered an old, unused well hidden beneath the roots of a large banyan tree. He led the animals to the spot and suggested they work together to clear it. Gajaraj, humbled but still skeptical, used his strength to push aside the heavy roots, while the other animals removed smaller debris. Soon, they struck water. A crystal-clear spring gushed out, and the forest came alive with cheers. Gajaraj looked at Chintu with newfound respect. "Your intelligence has saved us all," he admitted. "I was wrong to think that power alone was enough." From that day on, Gajaraj and Chintu became close friends, and the animals learned that true strength lies in combining wisdom and teamwork. And so, the forest thrived, a reminder that intelligence is greater than power.